Welcome to the freeCAD Beginner course, your complete 30-day journey from zero to confident 3D modeler. My name is Waleed, and over the next 30 days, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to know to design real, printable, manufacturable 3D objects using freeCAD, one of the most powerful free and open-source CAD tools in the world. Here's what makes this course different. We don't just teach you buttons and menus. We teach you how to think in 3D. By the end of day 30, you'll have a complete project you built yourself, from scratch, and the confidence to tackle anything next. Each day is one focused session, about 60 to 90 minutes. Do them in order, don't skip, and if a day feels hard, repeat it. There's no race here. Let's build something amazing. Day 1 starts right now. Welcome to day 1. Today is the easiest day of the course, and also one of the most important. Because before you can design anything, you need to make friends with the software. Today, we're going to install freeCAD 1.0. Open it for the first time and take a relaxed tour of what you're looking at. No pressure, no modeling yet, just orientation. First, go to freecad.org. That's freecad.org. Click the Download button. Choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux, and download the freeCAD 1.0 installer. Run the installer, accept the defaults, and let it complete. It takes about 2 to 3 minutes. Once it's installed, go ahead and open freeCAD. You'll see the Start page. Take a moment to look at what's in front of you. Don't worry about understanding everything right now. We're just getting the lay of the land. Along the top, you have the menu bar. File, Edit, View, and so on. This is where global commands live. Just below that is the toolbar area. These toolbars change depending on which workbench you're in. We'll talk about workbenches in detail on day 3. On the left side, you'll see the Model panel, sometimes called the Model Tree or Feature Tree. This is your project's history. Everything you create gets listed here. It's one of the most important panels in freeCAD. In the center is the 3D viewport, your canvas. This is where your models will live. At the bottom is the status bar. It gives you hints, warnings, and feedback as you work. And on the right, or sometimes docked elsewhere, is the Properties panel. This shows you the details of whatever is selected. That's day 1. You've installed freeCAD, you've opened it, and you know where the major panels are. Tomorrow, we tackle navigation. How to move around in 3D space. That's where the fun begins. Close freeCAD, get some rest, and I'll see you on day 2.